This is part 2 of getting started with the room. Part 2 on 5, 4, 3. Hey everybody, this is Big Al over here at Paler. Let's go on with part 2 of drawing the old room in here using single point perspective. Here we go. Let's see, the room. The room is now complete. The white areas is the ceiling, and the green area is the floor. The blue line. The light blue areas are the side and back walls. Notice that the top and bottom of the side walls are orthogonals and the back wall is a rectangle. So we see a rectangle and the orthogonals all heading for the vanishing point, right? All right, let's do the next thing. Okay. Now we're sort of putting a whole bunch of things in here to help you out. Okay, we want you to draw a door. Now watch how you draw the door. Okay. He flashed all of the parallel lines for you, so on and so forth. Okay, not the parallel lines, but the orthogonal lines for you. Let's follow this step by step. The animation on the right shows how to draw a door in a one-point perspective. To see a step-by-step explanation, click on the door. You may also click on the next hyperlink below the drawing. So, let's make this door by clicking it on and seeing it one at a time. Here we go. We're going to draw a vertical line. Drawing a door in one-point perspective. The first line that you will need to draw is a vertical line that starts at the floor and, since it is a door, goes almost to the ceiling. It is best to start with the side of the door that is nearest to you and near to the edge of the paper first. So start with this line. Okay? Next is the orthogonal line that starts at the top. Orthogonals do what? Go right to the vanishing point. Right. Okay, that starts at the top of the vertical line from the last screen and goes to the vanishing point. This line shows where the top of the door will be. Notice how the space between this line and the line showing the bottom of the wall appear to get smaller as we move closer and closer to the vanishing point. You see how they get smaller? Why? Well, because they do. Click on the orthogonal blue line. Click on the blue line. This line. There we go. All right, so using that same vanishing line, we're now going to construct this line here. The vertical line that shows the side of the door closest to the vanishing point is next. If you wanted the door to be wider, you could draw a vertical line that is closer to the vanishing point. How could you make the door look less wide? Well, you'd simply draw it up here, this way, right? So what comes next? Click on the door and let's see. Erasing the part of the orthogonal that is not the top of the door is the next step. That's this part here. Remember that orthogonal line? So just erase it. You can also add a doorknob. Look at the height of the door and use that to help you decide where the doorknob should be located. So you put the door in there. And one more. Now you're going to put the molding on. Okay? If you'd like to add molding around the side of your door, simply follow the steps used to make the door. The only difference is that the lines are drawn around the outside of the door. Be sure to make the side of the molding that is closer to the vanishing point less wide than the side that is closer to you. See, this is less wide than this. Okay? Because that's natural perspective. That's what your eye sees. I think they call it the peanut effect or something like that. Anyways, go ahead and put your molding around the door. Okay? And of course, if you want, you can always erase these lines, but I'd leave them on there for now because you might need them. We'll see you on the next video when we're going to do some more work in this room. All right?